In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Chroma Key function in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Using Chroma Key in CapCut for PC, it's very easy. All you need is a clip with a background with a different color from the subject, like this one. Nice. Now you will click on the clip. Let's go to the Video tab, remove BG background, and let's check the Chroma Key function. Let's click in the color picker and let's point to the background. Once you click, a symbol of the background color will be shown here. Now let's increase the intensity. Look, it's already cool. Nice. And if you go way over the top with the intensity, you can recover the shadow here, increasing the shadows. Okay, but I will not use this. I will leave the intensity by 30. If you are a pro user, you can feather the edges. Look his ears. And you can clean up the edge as well, but that's not the case. And once the Chroma Key is done, you can add a different background. Let me show you how to do it. You go here in the Basic tab, scroll down, Canvas. I will choose Pattern. Okay, that's nice. And I will choose a cool background for the doggy. That's perfect. And that's it. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel to always get new free videos. See ya!